I absolutely love this question because I'm also from the UK and I totally get where you're coming from, because it does seem like a lot of the accounts that are coming forward as seeing a wave of success recently, at least from what I've seen, seem to be more from the US than the United Kingdom. But don't get it twisted, there is exactly the same opportunity in the United Kingdom. And the way that I'm going to answer your question, firstly, I'm going to show you my results as a TikTok Shop affiliate in the UK, and secondly, I'm going to answer your question directly, and thirdly, I'm going to show you some examples of creators that are being successful in the UK. And also I'm going to add in there why I think TikTok Shop is a really good opportunity for being based in the UK, because what it actually does, it allows you to see people that are in your country, so you can see how they're doing. If you're based in the UK, for example, it's not going to flood you with TikTok Shop content from, Malaysia or the US, etc. But I digress. I'll circle back to that at the end of the video, so please do stick around up until the end. I'm going to try and make this video short as well. I'm also not feeling too good at the moment. I've got a chest infection, so if I sound a bit weird, I apologize. But I just wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. A series linked in the description where I've answered a bunch of other comments from viewers. I've also got a free course on becoming a TikTok Shop affiliate, which I've linked all in the description. And I'm not asking for your email, I'm not asking for anything. It's literally just a course that is a YouTube video that you can click on and just watch. And yeah, if that sounds good to you, let's jump straight into answering your question. So firstly, talking about my results now, you're probably going to be able to see them somewhere on the screen here, but essentially these results are based on some very, very bad videos that I started uploading around September last year. And the reason why I'm emphasizing that is just to show how much TikTok is pushing TikTok Shop. Even with these really bad videos that I was uploading, I wasn't really creating the videos, I was allowing TikTok to automatically create the videos. Again, I've delved into this in one of my videos in the series that I've linked in the description. These were faceless and voiceless videos, so I wasn't showing my face, I wasn't even using my voice in the videos, and they were absolutely awful. But even that being the case, even with the very few posts that I managed to put out, I was able to make the withdrawals that you can see here from TikTok Shop into my account as a UK TikTok Shop affiliate across multiple different accounts. So yes, there is an opportunity there. Yes, it's real. Yes, you can actually withdraw the money, get it into your bank account, and really use the money. Now, there's people that are absolutely making way more than what I'm making. For me, it was more of an experiment, which I continue to run on different accounts today. And my main focus is on this YouTube channel. I'm a one-man team, so I'm mainly focused here, hence why you're not seeing widely high amounts of revenue being withdrawn and being made. However, don't take my results as typical. There's people that are making a ton more. There's levels to this. For example, my level is probably the bottom most level, because I didn't want to spend too much time doing this, because again, my time is very limited. So my tier is where you're letting TikTok create the videos for you. You're not creating them, they get generated, and you simply include the product description and upload the videos onto your account. The level that's slightly higher than that is where you actually start putting effort into your videos, where maybe you're using your voice, or maybe you're just creating the video using AI and add creative tools, some of which I will have linked in the description, and getting that description and putting it in there. Basically a slightly more polished video with a little bit more attention. And then the level above that is where you start using your voice and actually talking in the video, maybe showing your hands and demonstrating what the product can do, or doing a green screen video. And the level that's even higher than that is the level where you're actually showing your face and talking to people. The reason why I'm emphasizing these levels, because these are levels of potential and income. The higher the level, the more money you make. Even higher than just showing your face on videos is people that go live for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, make an absolute killing. They just have a product set on screen, they talk about the different products, they have order links for all the various products. TikTok has all the tools you need to put all of this in place. They've made it as easy as possible because they want to make as much money as possible from this. So yes, the opportunity does lie in the UK, but I just wanted to show you that it is real and it can be done by showing these results. You asked whether TikTok Shop affiliate works in the UK effectively. Yes, it does. Whether it's as lucrative as in the US, yes and no. Now, the way you have to look at this is The US is a different market to the UK. So when you're seeing creators blowing up in the UK, in the US, for example, on one particular product, maybe this product could be a phone case, it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to go viral on the same phone case in the UK as well, unless it's like a product with an international appeal. But generally speaking, different markets will have different product going viral. China will have a different product going viral. You know, Thailand will have a different product going viral. It all depends on the market and what people in the UK are interested in. That being said, as you'll see in just a minute, there are products that are going viral and creators that are going viral in the UK with different products. So relatively, yes, you can get the same success, but don't take one person or one product success in the US as gospel that it will also work in the UK. Just keep that in mind. Moving on to the third part of this video, which is where I'm going to be showing you some creator examples in the screen. Now, I'm either going to be showing them on the video right now, or I might show them after I stop talking. I'm actually filming on my phone right now, so I can't screen record and show you the examples live. But there are a bunch of creators that are making an absolute killing in the UK, and you can basically reverse engineer that by going into that creator's account, looking at how many views they've got for a particular video, looking at how much that video, how much that product is that they sell in that video. If you have signed up successfully as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you'll be able to see how much commission they make per sale. And what I like to do is look at how many likes they've got in that video. And if you multiply the number of likes they've got in the video by the commission you get on the product, that should give you a rough idea of how much the creator has made on that product. Again, in the series that I've linked within the description box, there's a bunch of creator case studies that I've done of people that have made an absolute killing on TikTok Shop right here in the UK. And these are not 100,000 follower accounts. These are not 50,000 follower accounts. These are small accounts, and the videos aren't really even that good. But it's just testament of how much TikTok is pushing TikTok Shop if you are willing to jump in and take it seriously, and if you have got the time to dedicate and spend towards it. If you go into TikTok Shop and if you select a particular product, in fact, as soon as you go into the TikTok Shop icon from your profile, if you go right to the bottom, TikTok themselves show you some example videos of creators that are being successful in your location. Like in the UK, for example, TikTok says these are creators that are successfully converting viewers into buyers, because they want you to reverse engineer those videos, study those examples, and get an idea of how you can do and how you can frame your pitch being based in the UK. And also, you can also see what products they are promoting as well. Like if you go into one of those creators accounts, you can look at their most recent videos, and if all or most of them are promoting the same product, then that should tell you that that particular product is going viral in that particular period, and there's an opportunity for you to start earning money from that product as well. Obviously, there's a lot of other things to take into account. It needs to be aligned to your niche. It needs to be something that you feel you can talk about. It needs to be something that you feel aligns with the type of account that you've created, because